Okay guys, we got another 5.0 here. Might be a victim, might not be. It's my buddy's Pat. He used to have a 335i, or we both did. What's all done to this 5.0?
Alright, so it's got Flowmaster Outlaws, it's got a resonator delete, it's got a Pypes 3-inch off-road X-pipe, we got a Pmas intake, and a ported 18 manifold. And then that's pretty much it in terms of like performance wise, and then it's tuned by Ortiz Performance. I have injectors and it's running E85 right now, so sorry buddy, but I'm running E because I'm not trying to drain this out and do 93.
Okay, so also Pat is going to explain that there's a difference between the Gen 1 and Gen 2 Coyote, cough cough, Mustang on the screen. There's a difference between them.
So pretty much like a Gen 1, the heads were built different when they first made the Coyote. So it's not as free-flowing as a Gen 2 or Gen 3. And the bottom end is different. Like these are capable of like 700 before you're going to blow it. Then you have people that have Gen 2s and Gen 3s that are making 1,000 on twin turbos, like untouched, unopened motor. So yeah, the Gen 1 is definitely different than a Gen 2 and a Gen 3, especially like top end. It's a completely different thing.
So for all you people that want to know how my car can beat some 5.0s, they're mainly Gen 1 5.0s, or Gen 1 Coyotes, not the Gen 2, and that is why.
Oh yeah. This would be dirty. Yeah.
Okay. Why are you scared of the little V6?
Because I never drove in it yet, so I don't know how fast it is.
Well, it's a V6.
Still a little nervous.
But it's a V6. I'm beating all the truck guys right now. It's just a truck. Just a truck. But it's just a truck. It just says Nissan.
I don't know. Mine just says Ford.
Yeah, why is it not on the side of the road?
I got a V6. I just made it sound like a V8.
Yeah, you got a $5,000 sound system in it. You unplugged your spark plug so it looks like it's cammed, so it just shakes.
Took the coil packs out too.
Yep.
Took a few of them out. Make it choppy. I need a Corvette. I'll race you when I get a Corvette.
Okay, I'm gonna make a prediction. I'm gonna say, because I'll have a passenger, you're gonna get me by about a car. And then by the time we hit 100, that's when we're gonna start pulling. Anywhere from like 100 to like 90. But he won't be driving. He's gonna have a stunt man drive. And I won't be driving. I'll just have my twin brother drive who sounds like me. I'm also making him eat a big sandwich so he weighs down his car. I told you it makes a big difference when it's at 180.
Yeah.
I mean, we raced enough to see the outcome. It's just gonna become dead even. It's whoever can say, you freaking jumped.
Which one?
The last one.
I fucking had it in first, and my car's jumping.
Yeah.
Because of the tune.
Oh, yeah. Because as soon as you go, I'm like, that ain't right.
No, I was like, fuck. I hit
Ah, it's fine.
the first one going back.
Yeah.
No, coming this way when we turn around. Fucking doing it, dude. So I was like, fuck you. Because I'm fucking myself. I was like, you still would have beat me, but.
I was happy I was reeling you in. I don't ever really do that, honestly.
Oh, yeah.
I'm so used to getting out, that's it. Okay, so, message to all the 5.0 owners that hate on my car. What do you have to say to them?
It's just fast. If you don't get the jump, he's going to beat you.
Okay, Pat, explain why I beat most 5.0s. Tell them the key reason why, and why yours beat me.
It's all about the gearing. I got a 6-speed automatic, and I have the stock 315 gears. So the way that the gearing ratio works, at least for me right now, with my 18 manifold, I rev out to like 8K. So that whole race with me and Jordan, from the 20 roll, I shifted once, and then from the 40 roll, I shifted from second to third, and that was it. So it's just a single shift, whereas guys with like 373s, you got to shift more frequently. You're going through the gears quicker. You're also spinning more, and sometimes, you know, spinning ain't winning. Spinning is not winning. So that's my logic to it.
Man, it must be nice to have that yellow handle.
Must be nice to know how to use the yellow handle. Oh my goodness, man.
Are they out?
Pump my E. No, they're not. Whew. That was a pretty fun night.
Yep.
That was definitely fun.
I'm glad to be back in the good old USA. So while Pat is enjoying his E85, I'm enjoying good old 93. Can't go wrong with that, basic. So shout out to Pat for representing a correct 5.0 and a correct 5.0 owner. That's kind of a mouthful. So
E85 injectors, you gotta get them. 200,
and then showing Mustang owners how important gears are. And I learned a thing also, because I want to get gears for this, but I've never seen anyone run gears. Everyone always forgets about gears. So.
The gears is important for the automatics.
Okay, yeah, true.
For the manuals, it's like, it's a different gearing for the automatic versus the manual transmission.
Yeah.
Like even stock. The manual stock come like 331s. This comes 315. I like this. I probably won't change it because I want to go boosted one day, so there's no point in me changing it.
I would like to have longer gears than mine. Just a little longer first and second gear would be nice.
Yeah.
Because you see, as soon as I shift to third, it's over.
True.
Usually it's either third, if not it's fourth.
Yeah.
But third, it's usually over.